This Off-Camber Fabrications by MBRP heavy-duty D-ring shackle is for those of you that have a 2007 and up JK that are looking for a black D-ring to attach to any one of your recovery points to use as a recovery attachment point. This is going to install very easily onto your Jeep. Of course, not much of an install at all. You simply attach it onto whatever shackle mount you have. This is going to be a little bit different from some of the other shackles out there because it is a matte black finish. So if you're looking for something that's matte black, that's the style you have going on your Jeep, you just really like that color, this is going to be a good option for you. Now, if you are using your D-rings, if you're using your shackles for recoveries often, chances are that powder coat's not going to hold up great, but in the beginning at least, this is going to have that look that you're after. Now, because this does have that matte black finish on it, it is going to be more expensive than some of the other 3/4 inch shackles out there. So as long as you're willing to pay a bit of a premium for that style, this is going to be a nice option. This is going to be a 3/4 inch shackle, so like most others, it's going to have a 4 3/4 ton pulling capacity. It is going to fit in pretty much any shackle mount that you might have on an aftermarket front or rear bumper. It's also going to be able to be used in most winching situations. It's going to be a very good all-around recovery tool. So like I said, there's not much of an install for this piece at all. If you are going to be keeping them on your shackle mounts, you simply unscrew the top part of the shackle, attach it onto your shackle mount. If you're just going to be throwing it in your recovery bag, of course, it's going to get stored there until it needs to get used. Not much of an installation at all. This D-ring is going to be right around $20, which is closer to the price of most 7/8 inch D-rings that have a higher pulling capacity than it is to a lot of the other 3/4 inch shackles out there. And that is going to be because of the matte black powder coat finish that's on this thing. If you just want a 3/4 inch shackle for recovery, you're not worried about the color, you can get a silver or a galvanized finish for less than this one is. But like I said before, you're going to be paying a bit of a premium for the style. So if you're looking for a matte black D-ring shackle for your Jeep, I definitely recommend taking a look at this one from Off-Camber Fabrications, and you can find it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.